Any questions before we sign off, or any notes, anything you guys want to say before you guys get busy with whatever else you are doing this weekend?
I think this is good, yeah, Rishi. I think thank you so much. You
Yeah,
took all the trouble to explain us a lot of these things. There are
right,
so many tools available, but how to use them is the trick actually.
right, right.
And when someone like you who has already assessed, TLDV looks to be the best from the given lot. So whatever suits you, I think one should just go ahead, yeah,
Right.
because things are getting very smarter. Less time, more work, quick work. All that is happening now. That's why.
Yeah, in
So
fact, yeah, yeah. No, no. I feel that people are always having this fear of AI. Will it replace my job and shit like that? The deal is to use AI to enhance your job like tenfold, yeah, hundredfold.
absolutely, absolutely. I'm realizing
Yeah,
it, Rishi. I'm realizing it. So many things I'm able to do it very fast now.
Yes,
So
yes.
I think it's working well. Thank you so much, Rishi, for everything. Thank you, brother.
Great, great.
Yeah.
Vivekanand, you're next on my screen. Would you like to say anything or ask any questions?
I'll take
yeah,
your leave, Rishi.
Yeah, Rajneesh, see you, man. Bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye,
Bye.
bye, bye. Bye, Rishi.
Bye.
yeah.
Yes.
I'm facing the same problem.
Ah,
Whenever I have a recorded call with my clients and all, but whatever we have discussed, I have to rewatch the recording and all. But this
yeah,
was the great way.
right.
It will save a lot of my time.
Absolutely. I seriously, my WhatsApp group abhi banata hu. I'm going to invite all of you guys to join that group, and we will take this discussion further. Yeah.
Yes,
For me,
please.
it was not about 99 rupees मेरे को charge करना है. I wanted to share this knowledge so that other people can see the benefit. तो वो एक barrier मैंने 99 लगा दिया, but I didn't want to charge for it. It was ready to be a free webinar actually today, if you ask me. But only serious people who are going to take this now. विवेक, मेरे को तेरा feedback चाहिए एक हफ्ते के बाद.
Sure, sure.
ठीक है. Anything else you want to say?
No, no. That's
Good.
all.
We'll be on it. Okay, Josh, you're next on my screen. Yeah?
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, thanks, Rishi. This is really amazing, and this is what you've given today is an amazing shortcut to the shortcuts. So I think
Yeah,
which we
yeah,
really need. It's like time is money, and right now information with time is a big couple with
right.
that. So I think that because I consider myself tech savvy, but I never knew about this TLDV and all these things. So I really that's one big takeaway for me today. Yeah. And I'm looking forward to the WhatsApp group where we can interact and you'll be putting all
Yes.
these documents on there also, right?
Yes, yes, I'll put it there again today. जो अगर आपने नहीं save किया, I'll put all of them back in there.
Because
Yeah, in fact, talk about shortcuts. I will do another round with you guys on shortcuts. It's like a mind-blowing concept. Okay, वो मैं अगर आपको बता दूं ना, you all will be like, right, this is damn good, yaar. We never thought we could do it. Especially if we get the same question. Like I'm sure Dr. Archana Patel has, you have some yarn you have to give again and again and again every time to the same people. We will discuss in another round session where shortcuts can be given just by a few typing, just 3-4 letters, boom, it will go one shot. So shortcuts is very powerful, and you get them on the mobile also, you get them on the computer also. But people just are not aware of it. We'll cover that. Also. Definitely, it's there on my list. By the way, I'm already preparing the webinar for that shortcut. Yes, Archana, tell us, how did you find it? We didn't see you, but now we finally got to see you. Wait, your mic is muted. Wait. We can't hear you. Unmute. Now you can.
Okay. Sorry, Rishi, and hi, everyone. Actually, I didn't realize today is Dashera, and on Dashera, we have Naivedya. So for that reason, I was here and there, I was hearing something, so not able to concentrate perfectly, but I don't want to miss the thing. Then I asked my daughter also to study because she's a lawyer, and I told her to attend and let me know, just give me the brief about it. So I'm not much aware about what happened today. But
okay.
Definitely she will brief me everything, ki kya hua, what are the links and why, what you were sharing. So after that, I will definitely come back to you one-to-one or anything if I have any doubts or.
Sure.
Yeah.
In fact, I will share with you the video recording plus note taker summary of the meeting of today. Check that out and then first read the notes and then go watch the recording. Then you will see ki acha recording mein to kuch aur kuch stuff happened, but at least the essence, the software will take care and send it to you, which I will be speaking about in the seminar, in the webinar. That will be, I will do this for our meeting right now.
Sure.
Yeah.
That will be helpful. Yeah.
Great. Have a wonderful weekend and happy Dashera again to all of you
Yeah,
guys.
happy Dashera,
Dashera.
everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Simply.
much. Yeah.
Have a lovely day.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Yes,
Bye.
bye.